5 exercises you can do when you're feeling too tired for your regular routine. Kind of like me right now, you can see it in my eyes. I'm feeling drained, but I'm gonna do a little something. Number 1 is the most important. You probably already know what it is. Number 5, walking. Getting your steps in can give you a little boost of energy when you're sitting at a desk or on the couch, kind of like me often when I'm working for long periods of time. When I'm not moving, my body starts to think it's time to shut down. So getting some steps in is always a good thing. It doesn't have to be for too long, but it's a great way to get moving without doing something intense. 4, stretching, mobility work, yoga, tai chi, anything that's low impact and slow pace. Especially stretching and mobility, you gotta do it anyway during the week. You can line them up on the days that you feel the less energy. It feels good and you're doing good to your body in a low intensity way. 3, breath work and meditating. Getting that oxygen in, clearing your mind and being one with yourself. It's an important exercise to help calm you down, but it's also great to do when you're already in a calm state. 2, literally any exercise that you've been doing, but just at a lower intensity. It's okay to scale things down. Progression is not linear. Your journey will kind of look like this. Ups and downs, but when you show up, you're still progressing. Doing your workout for half the amount of time or at half the intensity is totally fine if that's what you can do. And number 1, the most important, just rest. Listen to your body. Resting, sleeping is so crucial in your fitness journey. That's why I'm categorizing it as an exercise. If you need to rest and recover, please do so. It's important. No need to feel guilty. Rest, recover, come back tomorrow all refreshed and ready to go. I hope this helps.